Hello, good morning everyone. So today we are going to share our chickens which we raise for over 1.5, 2 months, and then you can see we have started our work. So we are going to share the chicken which we raise in the last 1.5 months. So here they are removing the feathers. You can see
used to eat pork, chicken,
they are removing the feathers here. This is Sunnima and Chokden. They're removing the feathers. You can see they're removing the feather of the bird.
more well.
And here we have started burning the small feathers that is left. And here is Joshua and Levin burning the feathers. And here is Smita watching. So they are from Nagaland. Chef. तो ये है चिकन काट रहे हैं हम लोग, काट के बेचेगा। तो ये काट लिया बहुत सारा, तो ये काट के बेचने वाला है।
Hands are in hand.
काट दो थोड़ा गिरा है।
This side,
liver and heart.
Damn man.
Being a science student, I'll be on you.
दे दो वो खाते हैं तो लोग।
I'll be in MBBS.
Heart भी खाते. Tasty liver.
अभी भी तो एक बार में जा रहे थे।
But it's good for those who can. What's that? That liver and all. Chutney.
Why? Five बोल रहे हैं।
I mean this one.
Five.
The third one.
Five. एक बार में खत्म कर दे। शाबाश, शाबाश। ऐसे मारना है। बोला। ओए। How many supermen?
755.
13. Not 13.
17.
क्या तू मुझे नहला रहा है लगता है
Yeah. Me pasé de hoy.
So guys, we have completed this work. We have cut the chickens and we have sold out around 70 to 80 chicken. So for today we are done. There you can see on my back my friends are taking a rest. So with this we have come to the end of the video for today. So thank you for watching. See you all in the next video.